Hi friends, welcome to the Mr. Craig Show. I'm Mr. Craig. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. How are you today? I love puppies, and I love colors. Hey friends, would you like to play color puppies with me? You would? Great. Come on, let's go. This is my puppy house. I wonder what's inside. And these are my puppy fences. They're little yards for the puppies to go in. We have purple, blue, green, and orange. You say it, friends. You say purple. And you say blue. And you say green. And you say orange. Very nice, friends. What should we do? You say open. Very nice. Let's open the door. Oh, there's puppies inside. Oh my goodness, look at how cute. Woof, woof. There's a little green puppy. You say, green puppy. That's right. Where should the green puppy go? Oh, I see. In the green yard with the green fence. Woof, woof. Nice job, friends. Let's get another puppy. Oh boy. Whoa. It's a big purple puppy. You say it. Purple puppy. Very nice job. Which fence should this puppy go in? That's right. You guessed it. Inside the purple fence. Woof, woof. Can you go woof, woof like a puppy? You try it. Woof, woof. Nice job, friends. Let's get more puppies. There's a lot of puppies in here. Oh, it's a little blue puppy. Woof, woof. You say, blue puppy. Very nice. Which fence should the blue puppy go in? Yes. You say it, friends. Say yes. Woof, woof. Nice job. Let's get some more. Let's get more puppies. Oh. Oh, look, friends. It's a big orange puppy. puppy. You say it, friends. Orange puppy. Very good. Where does the big orange puppy go? Right there. Is this where the orange puppy goes? You say, yes. Woof, woof. Nice job, friends. This is fun. Let's get another puppy. Here we go. I wonder which color it's going to be. Oh, wow. It's another orange puppy. But this is a little puppy. You say it, friends. Little puppy. Very nice. Where does that little orange puppy go? Yes. In the orange fence. Woof, woof. Oh my goodness. Let's get some more. More puppies. I just love puppies. Ooh. It's a big green puppy. Woof, woof. Where does that big green puppy go? No. Not there. No. Yes. Big green puppy goes in the green fence. Woof, woof. You say it, friends. Say woof, woof. Nice job. Let's get some more puppies. Let's see. Oh boy. Ooh. Look, friends. It's a big blue puppy. You say, big puppy. That's it. Where does that puppy go? No. That's not it. I don't think so. Yes. Blue puppy goes in the blue yard with the blue fence. Woof, woof. I think we have one more puppy, friends. We do. It's the little purple puppy. Woof, woof. You say, purple puppy. Very nice job, friends. Where does that little purple puppy go? No. 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 Yes. Little purple puppy goes in the purple fence. We did it, friends. Let's close the door. We have our purple puppies, blue puppies, orange puppies, and green puppies. That was fun. That was so much fun. Thank you for playing Color Puppies with me. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. Bye bye, friends. I'll see you another day. Bye, friends.